What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, we're going to talk about Secret Swap. Guys, this is going to be the future of DeFi in my opinion. They are changing the game when it comes to DeFi. How many times have you guys gone to a network or went to a wallet address or even made a swap and thought to yourself, wait, if I can see everything publicly and see all the transactions that are being done, I wonder if someone else can. Yeah, well, you bet your buns everyone else can. Check out Secret Swap. Secret Swap allows you to have DeFi, but secret. So it's between you and yourself. And actually, you don't even know how many tokens you have unless you pay the transaction to see it or use a viewing key. I'll explain it to you some more so you guys can understand. Let's go ahead and get into this video without further ado. First off, guys, when you guys are looking to use Secret Swap, there are a couple of pools that are incentivized right now, and you can go to the Earn tab. They do have some pretty good pools. If you guys look, they have a ETH pool. So basically, it's a single-sided liquid, not single-sided, but you can basically get 35% on your Ethereum. They even have other regular pools like Secret Swap pools. They got Wrap Bitcoin and Ethereum pools. They got DAI and Secret. But what's really cool is they got a Monero one. Monero is pretty fire sauce. So, I mean, even people who use Monero, people can see how many tokens they have on XMR. With Secret Swap, you can't see how many tokens they have, and you can't see where the transactions are going. So it's like, what the pants? It's crazy, crazy stuff. I guess on XMR, it's still the wrapped XMR token. But what I'm saying is when you bring your tokens over here, you have to bridge them. And you can bridge them directly from Monero. So like you can come directly to Secret Swap and so on, and you won't be able to really tell because if you guys don't understand how Monero works, basically it's like this. Say you have like a basket and you're at a gathering where there's like 100 different people. Everyone throws a little bit here, here, and there into the basket. At the end of the day, when that basket comes to the end, you can't tell which piece or which item that was thrown into that basket belongs to who, unless you looked at it specifically. So that basket would basically represent all your transactions or all the transactions in that block or in that specific transaction itself that happened, and all the individual like pieces that were thrown into the basket, well, or say they're quarters or whatever, all those individual quarters would represent the single transactions in that block. So it's all mixed up, but it's pretty cool how it works. All right, so you guys can use this bridge here. You can use it from Ethereum to Secret Network, or you can go from Binance Smart Chain or Monero to Secret Network. Binance Smart Chain is pretty cheap as well. All you got to do is connect it with your MetaMask. Boom, done. And go back to Secret Swap. This is where you can provide liquidity for the different tokens. This is one glitch that I did notice with Secret Swap, just so you guys can understand it. But when you guys are swapping from one token to another and the liquidity is like really low, like for example, the slippage when you're making the swap, the transaction will not go through. So we're going to do this example. I'm going to do DAI and we're going to do some Secret. So if I'm going to swap, like, let's just say, we'll do 1,000. It's the slippage isn't bad yet. Now once it gets to 35%, so whenever it's over 5%, that's when you can't swap the tokens. It's weird because you can't edit it. Maybe they'll fix that soon. This is still a primitive swapping place, especially for Secret. It's still something new, hence why the rewards are so lucrative right now. But it's just one of those things to keep in mind. Like if you're having that issue, all you have to do is split up your orders into 2 different batches and make 2 separate transaction fees. Just make sure this right here, this price impacts or the slippage is under 5%, and then your transaction will go through. That's how you can get the different token pairs that you want. To select whichever token pair that you want, you go to all the different tokens that are on there and you figure out which one you want. So say, for example, you want to do Secret and Rune. Well, you're going to have to get some Rune tokens and some Secret, and you'll have to add the 2 together. It's a little funky how it works, but I'll show you what's really cool. This balance right here, like you don't know how much ADA I have. I could just be like, yeah, bro, I got 1,000,000 ADA. I mean, I just got 1,000,000 ADA. I do. Trust me. And you can do the view the balance and it'll show the balance, or you can be like, nah, bro, I trust it. I know I got that much in there. And then you can do provide liquidity on it. However, If you don't have the tokens, this transaction is going to fail, and you're going to basically be wasting tokens into a oblivion. So probably not best to do that. But if you ever want to see your balance, all you got to do is hit view balance, and you pay a transaction fee. The gas fees are super cheap. Just so you guys can see them, I will show it to you. Well, my computer's never going to load, but the gas fees are like 0.01 secret. So it's like a penny or like a few cents for the transaction. So it's pretty fire sauce. And then once you get the tokens, don't forget you have to go over here to the earn section and deposit them into the pools that you want. Let me just show you guys an example of what I'm staking. See, like right now I'm earning some CEFI. Well, it's actually just CFI. Secret Finance or Secret Swap, that's the governance token. You can come over here and stake your CFI tokens. So it's pretty cool, easy to do. Like right now you have no idea how many rewards I got, and I have no idea either. I don't even know if I have some staked. Do I? Wait, no, I don't. Wait, yeah, I do. Wait, I don't know. Let's do it. No, I'm not going to do the transaction because then you guys will see what I got. That's what's so cool about Secret Swap. But anyways, if you are bullish on the token, you can hold the token, or you can provide liquidity, deposit into one of these pools, and earn additional rewards. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. And whenever you want to be like, all right, guys, time to close up shop, end the day, all you got to do is hit withdrawal. You add the tokens that you're trying to withdraw, the different tokens, and you just withdraw them. Boom, done. That's it. Super easy. And you can also manage your pools that way as well. That's really a quick general overview of DeFi on Secret Swap. It is built on Cosmos Tendermint. I'm super bullish on Cosmos. If you guys want to learn more about the Secret Swap token, you guys can look into this and see what's going on with it. And you can participate in governance if you guys wanted. Also, what's pretty cool about this protocol is they have a cashback incentive. Basically, what you're going to need to do with this, all you got to do is create a viewing key for this. We're going to go ahead and generate one now so you guys can see it. It's going to be a little bit slow, so I'm probably going to have to go off this stream and do another one. But basically, the total supply of this CFI token is 1 billion. Right now, it's about 25% of that. It's been released. Most of it's going to be released during the token earning. You guys can look more into the docs to understand what it's looking to do. So what's cool about the cashback token is that you actually, when you're trading on Secret Swap, you'll actually get cashback and you can earn CFI. In order to get CEFI, all you got to do is just basically you claim the amount and then you can swap for it. So this cashback right here, this is used to buy more CFI tokens. But anyways, that's just a quick concept just so you guys can understand it. And if you guys want to see how the analytics are doing, as in like if this is a good DEX or not, you guys can check out the pairs that they have and which ones are trading with the most volume. And as you guys can see, the volume has been going up over time. Obviously, the liquidity has been a little bit changing from time to time. As you can see, bull market, bear market, going back into somewhat of a bull market. Is what it is. But anyways, guys, take a look over at Secret Swap. Pretty fire sauce in my opinion. It's pretty underlooked right now. A lot of people really aren't caring about privacy. Let's go ahead and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 18, verse 21. The tongue has the power of life and death, and those who love it will eat its fruit. So true, man. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho, Matthias, Matt There Is, DMC Codes. Isn't that a band? Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is, scan it, check it out, bomb. Alright, so next off guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.